Welcome to this LightingSupply.com product detail video. This Satco bulb can be used to replace a 250-watt metal halide bulb. It produces 7,200 lumens. This bulb is not dimmable. This bulb has a color temperature of 5,000 Kelvin or daylight. It has an average life of 50,000 hours. Direct wiring is only approved for 100 volts through 277 volts, and the ballast must be removed from the fixture. This product can be used both indoors and outdoors, making it perfect for applications like parking lot fixtures, high bay fixtures, and wall packs. It is approved for totally enclosed fixtures. You can buy this Satco bulb and thousands of other products at LightingSupply.com.